This is the Mini Delight Bold Bloom stem set from Altenew. This is a 2x3 stem set with 3 individual stamps. The stem set is a part of Altenew's monthly release feature, Mini Delight. It features an elegant floral bloom posy and 2 sweet sentiments. This image is perfect for background stamping or focal point stamping. With its lovely detailed outlines, you can easily pair any coloring mediums to color them in to create beautiful results. Though the size may be small, the possibilities of the stem set is endless. The stem set can be only purchased as a set with its coordinating die. This Mini Delight Bold Bloom stem set is a high-quality photopolymer stamp manufactured in the USA. To find out more about the Mini Delight Bold Bloom stem set and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.